Let's make Nyonya Assam prawns. It's tangy, succulent, so delicious. All right, so today we're making another Peranakan dish, which is the Assam prawn. A very simple dish, sweet, sour, but it's not just sweet and sour, but also from the searing of the prawn, you get a lot of that char flavor into the sweet and sour. So it makes a very appetizing dish. First of all, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna marinate these prawns. About 1.5 tablespoons of tamarind puree, light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, dark caramel. Traditionally, these prawns are supposed to be butterflied, left shell on, and deveined. So if you're doing this dish, please leave the shell on. The shell on sort of helps give it a bit more flavor from the shell as you're searing it, and at the same time, it allows you a little bit more time in cooking before you start overcooking the prawn. Now we leave these prawns for a good 10-15 minutes. Heat up a wok, add some oil. All right, prawn goes in. Now once it starts searing, all that sugars from the soy sauce, the dark caramel, important thing to note is once you put the prawn in, leave it there for a good 30 to 45 seconds before you start flipping it around. Ideally, you don't want to flip it too much until the head starts falling off. There we go, beautiful. Look at that beautiful caramelizing on the prawn. Now, once I flip it, I'm going to be adding a little bit of hydrated dried chilies. Now, traditionally, this is not added into this dish, but I love chilies, and I think it sort of supplements this dish very well. Now, with the leftover marinade in the bowl, I just added about 2-3 tablespoons of water, and we're gonna pour this in. And that will be a nice sort of sauce for this dish. Just add in a touch of salt. All right, now this dish is ready to be served. Get that hand juice all in there. And here I have a little bit of coriander, spring onion, and fresh red chilies for a little bit of garnish. There you go. A very simple yet traditional dish, Nyonya Assam Prawns. All right, so now for a little taste test. The prawns are nice and succulent. Having the shell on allows you to sear it so a little bit longer so you get more of that caramelized flavor. The balance between the tamarind, the soy sauce, the sugars really gives it a nice sort of tangy but not too sour. Important to note that you don't put too much of tamarind in there before it gets one flavor profile, which is sour. You get nice sourness, a little bit of sweetness from the soy sauce, the dark soy sauce, and also the sugars added in. The simpler a dish is, it's always harder to get it to the right balance. So it takes a little bit of practice, it takes a little bit of tasting as you go along, then you'll get it right. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed this episode with this humongous prawns, please do click the like and subscribe button. And if your family does this any different, please let me know in the comment section below. Prawns, look at that size, guys. The size of this thing. Get that sauce in there. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. Ciao.